Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's the Parent Entrepreneurs here. So today we'll be continuing the series of investing with Mac. So last week we talked about how the stock market works and all the terms. So this week we're gonna be talking about technical analysis because I believe it's very important. So as you can see today, I'm wearing my, I guess you could say, sleeveless shirt. So we actually went hiking this morning. So I feel ecstatic. I feel good because just getting that fresh air. It's amazing, right? So, but anyway, if you have not watched the last video, please go watch it because it's very important. So I'll be focusing on high risk investment or trading specifically on penny stocks. So as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not a professional advisor. So this is just for educational purposes only. And if you are looking for professional advice, I highly suggest you guys seek out a financial advisor. All right. So we'll get started and hopefully you guys learn something new today. So what is technical analysis? So technical analysis is a trading discipline used by traders to identify trading opportunities by analyzing trends and past data. So very important. So traders focuses on the study of prices. So that's one, prices. So volume and charting. So I'm gonna be talking about those three today in depth, and hopefully you guys learn those basics, because if you can understand the price of the stock, you can understand the volume of the stock and also charting it, then you're going to be a very successful trader. So a great thing about past data is that you can study why a specific stock went up or down, like in a very short amount of time, right? So it creates a storyline of the company you're investing or trading in. So I'm sure you all heard of this, that numbers don't lie. So it's important to understand that the stock price and volume of a penny stock you are trading with is because it's a great indication why a penny stock move up, right? Why either up or down. So why focus on share price? Like what I said before, it's important to know the share price of the stock from the past and present, right? So that you are trading, because it will help you see opportunities down the road. So BLGV is a great example of this, the stock that I showed you guys in the past, and this is in my portfolio, right? So BLGV, so I'll talk about this a little bit and what they're all about. So it's an investing holding company. So the company has one operating segment focused on merchant banking, as well as I think it's like providing management services and pursuing the royalty stream from its previous potash project that they did back, I believe it was like 2018 or something like that. But anyway, in 2018 the stock price hit an all-time high of 36 cents, man. It was insane. That was like the peak of the stock when it like jumped from, I think it was like 1 cent at the time, then it went to like all the way up to 36 cents in a very short amount of time. And I think it's in 2018. So this was at the time where they said that they were going to invest in the cannabis companies. Then after the hype was gone, it kept on going down all the way to like half a cent in 2020 in early January. So think about it, that's insane, right? So from 1 cent to 36 cents, then from 36 cents then back to half a cent in like 2 years. Like think about that, guys. Like there's a lot of volatility in penny stocks, and with those volatility you can make a lot of money, right? So so if I'll show you guys here the screen here, right? So look at the what do you call it, the charting. So just recently the price started to go up gradually from January. So it was half a cent, like what I told you guys. So now the end of July, this July, it's at 4 cents. So the important lesson here is that many traders look at past stock price and make a decision partially because of that, because if they can tell that it went from 36 cents before, so they have that in the back of their head that maybe the stock will go up again at the all-time high. So you'll need to think like how the other traders think and use that to your advantage. All right, guys. So the second things that I wanted to talk about is why focus on volume. So this is very important. So knowing the volume of the stock you are trading is very, very important. I tell you, this is a great indication that something is brewing when the volume keeps going higher and higher. So the important thing is knowing the baseline of the volume of the stock that you are trading. So going back to the BLGV example or the case study, I guess is what you want to call it. So in June, the volume was very low. I think it was like you can see like throughout the month of June, it was less than a million shares traded. So then all of the sudden on July 10th, it spiked to 12 million a share traded. So in a single day. So you would think that okay, that's kind of odd. You know, it's been trading like every day less than a million. Then on July 10th, it spiked up to like 12 million. So something must be going on. So from July 8th, so after June, at a penny, so it was trading at a penny on July 31st at 4 cents. So basically, from July 8th at a penny to July 31st at 4 cents. So it was trading at 1 cent at the time on July 8th. Then it went to like 4 cents in July 31st. So basically last Friday. So this, like, let's say you invested at 1 cent or you traded at 1 cent, then you cashed that when it was at 4 cents in that time frame. So basically this is a 4x investment if you bought at a penny just a little over 3 weeks ago. All right, guys, so the last thing that I wanted to talk about today is why focus on charting. So if you can remember one thing in this series, a key takeaway I want you to remember is learning to chart, because this skills is so important that I think you're gonna be able to use this transferable skills to any other market, whether it's, you know, penny stocks, forex trading, commodities, and etc. Right? Because if you're looking at short-term investment, then definitely charting is one of the tools that I use and many traders use. So okay, so anyway, this is a, like what I said before, this is a very important skills that you develop over time. So it's important to learn as soon as you can, right? So there are three types of chart that many traders use for technical analysis. So I'll show you guys maybe either here or there. So yeah, maybe I'll show you guys here of what the three charts that I'm talking about. So basically there's three of them. So there's the line chart, the bar chart, and the candlestick chart. So myself and a lot of traders I know heavily utilize candlestick charts. So in this series we'll be focusing on candlesticks and what they are all about. Alright, guys, that is it for this week, and if you have any questions, let me know. Hope that you guys learned something new today, and as always, invest now, because if you do, time is on your side. Alright, so we'll see you guys next week, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know again. Alright, we'll see you guys later.